for this long.
Pretty much. There's a wrap peel.
Did you take a...
It's been plastidip over the wrap, so it's ultra shit. Very difficult to peel off. So once we get all the wrap peeled off, then we've got all the glue, the adhesive. I'll get that off and show you what's going on next bit. Day 2 on the Mustang strip.
Stage 2.
Yeah, stage 2. Getting rid of all the adhesive. So I've buffed this quickly, but you can see whoever installed the last graphics, they've actually cut them on the car. So there is a scratch through the undercoat, and there's actually to the point where in a couple of spots like this the paint's chipped. If we can get it to focus. So Barry's up here scraping all the stuff off. Usually use isopropyl alcohol, but paint thinners is pretty good. So we're just dousing it with the paint thinners, scraping it off. And then you'll get to this point here where there's nothing left on there, and then buff it. So the bonnet's been buffed. You can see that there's a bit of a ghost in there, and that's the old adhesive has actually stained the top coat of the paint. So you can see the reflection and the shine's good, but if you were to restore this back to factory with no stripes, it would need to be chopped and buffed to get rid of that yellowing. But we're putting stripes back on it, so this time they'll go straight. The old stripes tapered significantly, so yeah, we'll get it right. So we've got the Mustang prepped ready to go for the
You got the smaller one, you're shorter.
So we've got our wrap cut tape laid out. These stripes will be straight, everything's measured.
Oh crap, even your phone on your phone.
And then we'll get to getting some black on it. Start of something beautiful. Of course, black. Just got the rest of the car to do. Nice little pig touch. Stripes done. Straight. All good.